Now, the father of Ketan Agarwal, Vishal Agarwal, has been taken to the Lohargarh Fort site where Ketan Agarwal was pushed to death by his fiancée and her lover. Pune Rural Police have visited the crime spot along with Ketan's father, Vishal Agarwal. My colleague Shweta Verma is now joining us on this. She is at the site. Shweta, what's happening there as of now?
Well, absolutely, Kriti. In fact, let me quickly cut across you to the visual where NewsX team is present. This is the residence of Agarwal family. Remember, Agarwal family now, some of them are at the crime spot, including father of Ketan Agarwal, that is Vishal Agarwal, and Superintendent of Police of Pune Rural, Mr. Sandeep Singh Gill, along with the forensic team. They are present at the crime spot, and my video journalist, in fact, from here from Pune is showing you the visual of the society. And as we go inside, the resident of this particular society is of course the Agarwal family. But having said that, we understand some of the family members are rightly present here, and some of the family members are at the crime spot. Remember, with the help of forensic team, they are trying to assess what exactly happened, and to take the case more strongly, we are seeing he was accompanied by the Superintendent of Police, Mr. Gill. As we also understand, we did speak to the investigating officer. He has been focusing on one point, that after registering an FIR, the further investigation is underway. Meanwhile, we are also showing you the visuals of the society. Remember, this place the Agarwal family has lived for years, and this has to be one of the spot where Sia also has visited multiple times. Having said that, it is again important to understand, Kriti, that from this particular location, as we see the crime spot in Lohargarh Fort, that is precisely about 27 kilometers, and not once, twice, in fact thrice, the DO went on the trekking, under the in fact pretext of trekking. There was another gruesome plan which was in the mind of Sia Goyal along with her friend,
Right.
Chetan Chaudhary.
Right.
So this spot, from this particular spot, if they drive, they would be going to Lohargarh Fort, which would take them at least 45 minutes to reach there.